Manipur Banking Guy na maya butaram lokchari handak se thabak khara chimbanina video se khara toina thagapang amje ko ngasi video se koi gi maru na koi gi SSC gi exam sing da ko hena emphasis pizare ko habdi koi gi hosik bank gi IPS ki clerk lai ko sida muk ma onsla age adu hosik mawang da lak tabagi SSC gi exam yam ma ko si vacancies mam laibinina asida hena emphasis pizabani aduga MTS ki Havaldar gi ko mogi matang daina selection gi matang da haijagrabni dana sports ki current affairs ta ena yan maru oibu ko sida question mari manga lakadini question mari manga haje question amada ma hom wargadi mark tranga ko koi trying to adugi sang lakadini aduna CGL maru oi aduna si video je skip to wigano CGL koi gi jotown koi gi koi tawira jai ko notebook ta.
Ace your exams with daily current affairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, here's your first question. Which team won the 2024-25 Ranji Trophy? Answer B. Vidarbh, who recently retired from international test cricket. Correct answer D. Both Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Next question. Who became the youngest debutant in IPL history at 14 years old? Correct answer B. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which country hosted the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Answer D. Both Pakistan and UAE. Which country won the Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer B. India. Next question. Which legendary English pacer retired in 2024 with 704 test wickets? Answer B. James Anderson, who won the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024. Answer C. Jasprit Bumrah, who won the ICC Women's T20 Cricketer of the Year 2024. Correct answer D. Amelia Kerr. Next question. Where were the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 held? Answer A. Bihar. Which state won the Khelo India Youth Game 2025? Answer A. Maharashtra, 158 medals. Which state topped the medal tally at the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer B. Haryana, 104 medals. Next question. Where were the 2025 Khelo India Beach Games hosted? Answer B. Diu. Which state emerged champion in the 2025 Khelo India Beach Games? Answer A. Manipur, who won the Australian Open 2025 main singles. Answer D. Janik Sinha, who won the Australian Open 2025 women's singles. Correct answer A. Madison Keys. Next question. Which Indian won the Elbrun Challenger title 2024? Answer A. Sumit Nagal. who won gold at the Pavo Nurmi Games 2024? Answer C. Neeraj Chopra, who is the first Indian female UFC winner. Answer B. Pooja Tomar. Where will the World Judo Championships 2025 be held? Answer C. Budapest, Hungary. Who is the winner of Tata Steel Chess India 2025? Answer A. R. Pragnanandha, who won the Lyon Masters 2024? Answer B. Viswanathan Anand, who won the women's singles at Bonn International 2024? Answer B. Tanvi Sharma, who won the Thailand Open Men's Singles 2025? Answer C. Kunlavut Wittedzahn. Which country will host the 2025 Junior Hockey World Cup? Answer A. India, who won gold at the World Junior Squash 2024? Answer D. Mohammad Skaria. Where was the Asian Squash Double Championship 2024 held? Answer C. Johor, Malaysia. Who won the 2025 Masters tournament? Answer A. Rory McIlroy, who has been elected as the first female and African president of the International Olympic Committee, IOC. Answer B. Kirsty Coventry, who has been awarded the Goalkeeper of the Year Award Women at the Hockey India Awards 2024. Correct answer A. Savita Punia. Next question. Which city will host the 2030 Asian Games? Answer A. Doha, Qatar. Who won the 2025 NBA Finals MVP? Answer D. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Which team won the 2025 Super Bowl NFL? Answer A. Philadelphia Eagles. Who won the FIFA Best Men's Footballer of the Year award in 2024? Correct answer A. Vinicius Jr. Next question. Who is the Executive Director of Hockey India? Answer D. CDR RK Srivastav. How many Khel Ratna awards were given in 2025? A. 4. B. 6. C. 9. D. 8. Give the correct answer in the comment box. Scan the QR code or check the description box for donating us. For more updates, please join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Link is given in the description box.